Midday Kentucky cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky, everyone. Over here with Chef Alison Davis at Wild Thyme. How are you, dear?
I'm good.
All right.
Using your favorite pan. Tell them about it.
I love this pan. Oh, because and I don't use any thing to
oil,
so it doesn't stick. Yep. And when I make my muffins, because I make egg white muffins every Sunday, I have one for breakfast. I have chicken, tomato, onion, and the Weight Watchers egg white.
We should have just done that.
Actually, do you want me to make it for you?
We'll have to do that one day. Yeah.
And brilliant. Cook it in the oven on 350 for, I think, 25 minutes or whenever Real Housewives of New York is over.
And that's a wrap. We're done.
That's a wrap. But you just take it out like that.
Yeah, the silicone is wonderful. It's for
Love,
like non-stick and
love.
popping them out.
This looks well used.
Oh yeah, it's been loved.
And mine doesn't look like this yet because I only use it on Sundays.
Right.
Alrighty. What are we making, my darling
Well, we're basically
friend?
doing a frittata similar to what you said. I've already gone ahead and blanched up some asparagus, and I chopped up some spinach, and I've just got some cheddar cheese. So why don't you just fill these little cups for me?
Okay.
Okay. And then I'm going to do the mixture. Like he said, he does an egg white with maybe tomato, onion. You can really do a combination of anything.
Oh, so it's an egg, it's a frittata, not a muffin.
Right, well, an egg muffin, I guess, if you would, because we're doing it in a muffin tin. Excuse me.
That's all right.
If you wanted to do it in a pie plate, then you would have a whole frittata, and then you could just cut slices of it.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm just going to take 6 eggs.
Here's the thing, Alison.
These cook so much faster.
They cook faster, and if you make a whole round one, you'll eat the whole damn thing. So here's what I do. I do make it during the week as well, because I have to say at night, sometimes I'm a little peckish, so I'll have one of these and I feel like I haven't had a major meal. And it's only 2 egg whites.
Right.
I use 1/3 cup of egg whites.
So I typically will go with about 6 eggs.
Oh, you didn't do egg whites?
No, I just did the whole egg.
Oh, I thought you were wanting me to talk about egg whites.
No, but I was saying we should make that sometime, like, because that's what you do. And then about a cup of cream in with the egg whites. These are rich because we're making these for
and see, this is what
our
I do.
weekend brunch.
If we can grab a shot of this, I do this with mine to mix it all up.
Okay, yeah. And then I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of salt and pepper with each one.
Because you've also got asparagus on
the bottom.
Down the bottom. And I feel, I'll be honestly say to you, it's better to do it like this, layer it up, and then, because if you put it all in the bowl, I tried it, it all becomes uneven.
Right.
So I do a teaspoon of everything. A heaped teaspoon.
And then I'm just adding a touch of red pepper flake in mine.
Oh.
Because I like a little bit of that kick, you know?
That's a good idea.
Yep. All right, so then our egg mixture is ready. You can just take a little
what was it, chili?
A little red pepper flake.
Red pepper flake. I don't know what that is,
Right here.
Oh, chili.
Yeah, okay. We're there. We're good. All right, and then we're just going to pour in our mixture. And then, like he said, these are going to go in the oven at about 350 for about 25 minutes at the most, really just until the egg is set, and then you're just going to pop them right out.
Mine looks a lot cleaner when I do it.
Oh, I'm sure it does. You know what they say? What is that?
Backseat drivers?
No. A sign of a messy kitchen is a sign of a well-spent life.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, at least that's for what I go by.
Exactly. Here, give me that.
I love Julia's comment too. You know, the people who love to eat are the best kinds of people.
Yeah.
Look,
I love a good feed. I have to be honest with you.
Me too.
I love sitting around a dinner table and having food. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like a lot of food.
Yeah, and in my opinion,
an array of food.
Food is what brings people together.
You didn't make enough egg whites.
Eggs.
Eggs.
So if you are a little short, because these are a little bit more jumbo size.
And these are bigger people.
You just add another egg, add a little bit of cream, and just
so that's half
right
a cup. So you're probably having 3 eggs per.
Well, no, it was 6 total, is what we had. So we didn't have that many eggs in there.
Oh, you didn't do a whole half a cup.
Not quite.
Oh,
right.
okay. Okay, so I do a whole.
So probably like an
third.
egg and about maybe 2 tablespoons of cream in each one.
Oh, here you go. if you want to find out more information. This is going to be in the oven for how long?
About 20, 25
All right, this is simple, so easy. Midday Kentucky, click on the recipe tab over at WTVQ.com. It's all there, people. It's perfect, and it's a really yummy, healthy dish. Back after this short break.